Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are covering HBAR in this video, but before we get into this, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. I'm going to be giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers. Let's jump right into this video. We're looking at the monthly time frame for HBAR, and for the past 3 months, we've actually been in a downtrend, actually like around 2.25 months, even less than that. We just started this candle, and it looks, so far, it's an indecision candle, but it hasn't closed, so it's not an indecision candle, if you know what I mean. It looks like one, but it hasn't closed, so it's not a 100%. If it closes like this, we can probably expect a retracement. And again, on that monthly time frame, we use that 50% Fibonacci level. So if this, I would ideally want HBAR to really not move below that $20 level or 20-cent level because of this 0.5 Fibonacci level. And even if it does, it's not the end of the world. See, it did happen right here, but it pulled right back. So we just needed to respect this Fibonacci level in order for us to be still in an uptrend. Let's go and zoom in here. Again, if you haven't seen my other videos, this is just this could potentially just be a big ass ABC pattern that we're looking at. We are actually right on that 21 EMA. We did close below the 21 EMA, but I think now we are above it. We're right on it. So we're either finding resistance or support. I'll go ahead and zoom in here, and I'll keep this at the 20 on the 1 week. So we'll zoom in here and actually take a peek at that. But as you can see, we are forming indecision candles. This is 4 hours left in this candle, so that's good. I don't expect it to continue to drop. So we have 2 indecision candles. We really don't know where it is. Really don't know what's going to go. But indecision candles at support levels usually mean a reversal. I don't have a crystal ball, so I have no fucking idea. But it has a higher probability of meaning a reversal. And if we hold this 50% level, we can potentially see a 55-cent price target for HBAR in the short term. Go and look at the daily. Make sure this is on the 1 week. Okay. Again, as we zoom in here, we've just been bouncing around. We haven't really been respecting it too much. Respected it here, and now we're actually above it. So that's good. Again, these lines are not trend lines. They're just something I drew to represent the pattern that I see. And let's talk about these swing lows to these swing highs. So we're going to go to here, down to here. So ideally, we want it to pop up to that 30% level, and then find, or 30-cent level, and then find support there for us to be considered, before I can be confident that we are in an uptrend, because we have been forming like a cone almost of just this trend. And obviously it can't keep going down forever, but it can just go sideways and break this trend line. So I do think we will break this trend line before we break this one, which is a good sign. Ideally, we want it to close above the 21 EMA. I would like it to pop up just a little bit more, just a tad more. Let's go ahead and zoom in here, and then we'll go to the 1 hour. Make sure that this is on the 1 week. That's just a straight line. Okay, that's fine, but we are above it. I want it to hold this. And we have this nice uptrend. The 1 hour chart's it's pretty choppy. So I don't like trading cryptocurrencies on the 1 hour chart or anything less, just because, like, obviously when I say trading, I mean, like, you could be swing trading. I don't day trade cryptocurrencies. The whales just know too much, and they have so much capital that they can mess with. And again, that's how it is with the stock market. But with crypto, it's unregulated, and again, they can pull out anytime. So we could honestly be forming, there it is, an ABC pattern here. Let's go and take a peek. Again, this could just be a pullback to the 23.6 Fibonacci level, or if we don't use the wicks, actually just the bodies. Again, yeah, we're still on that 23.6, and if we 23 in between these two Fibonacci levels, I'm going to go ahead and use Fibonacci extensions. And again, this is just for the short term, because we're on the hour chart. So I have a price tag around 23.5 cents. that would be a good price target. That's around 3 cents from here. That's 23.5. That's around 4%, 3 to 4% of a jump, which is a fairly significant jump for a trade. And I know some people in the comments are probably gonna be like, that's only fucking 4, not even 5%. I'm like, okay, obviously you need to take advantage of everything you can, because that alone is almost outperforming the entire year of the S&P 500. So put that in perspective, that's a really good trade. And anyways, like, again, the whole crypto market really kind of relies on Bitcoin doing well. As you can see, Bitcoin does well. The rest usually do well. Besides, well, the Bitcoin dominance is down, but it's still going up. Doge is down. Fuck Doge. Link is down. Really? Yeah, I'll make a video about that later today. But I think that's it. We really covered everything for HBAR. Thank you guys so much for the support. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. And if you guys want to find the best stocks to trade that 6-figure traders use every single, even 7-figure traders use every single day, it is called Trade Ideas Scanner, and it's around $2,000 a year to own. But what me and my team do, we send out that exact scanner every single morning. The top gappers, that's what the scanner is called. That's what we designed our scanner to obviously search for in the market. And that is one of the most used scanners, the top gappers, out of every single trader. Even hedge funds use it. So if you haven't already, subscribe to that Alpha newsletter. We have that for free. You can, every single morning, we send that scanner out along with our watch list and all the stocks that have news. So it's a huge value, and it's all for free. It's all for free. So there's nothing to lose. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all. Peace.